Now that we have everything in place, it is time for us to go to Transform, Orient. What is it that we want to orient? We want to orient all of these on the floor, and they are sorted on this output. This is what we want to orient. Where are they located? Well, remember, but we also sorted all the centroids, and they are here. So we're going to place vectors, construction planes, and XY construction plane right here. And notice that they are placed on the right spot. And we can connect this one over here. And notice that all of them go to the floor because the target is set to XY and only one. So the last video is going to show us how to orient all these faces on the floor with a little gap in between all of them.